In this video, we will show you how to import your Bonanza items from the Bonanza Marketplace. Once you are logged into Sku Grid, click on Import Export. Click Import from Marketplace. Click Import Items from Bonanza. Click on the Import Your Items from Bonanza button that corresponds with the country that you are selling on. Click on Import New Products that do not exist in Sku Grid. Once clicked, Sku Grid will begin to import your items from Bonanza. Any Bonanza items that do not already exist in your Sku Grid account will be imported. The items will come into your grid paused. This is to allow you time to edit them. You will need to edit each entry and put in the supplier URL and supplier variation if applicable. Scroll down, and if you don't want the item to use certain elements of your default Bonanza Marketplace settings, such as default quantity or a formula, you can set an individual default quantity on the item and or override your default selling formula to give the item a custom formula. Set pause repricing to no. Click Update Item. Repeat for the rest of your imported items. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.